Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So it's day 2, Monday. We are all dressed. Victoria looking smart. Wear attire today, boots, long pants and long sleeve because I'm now heading down to get breakfast. We leave at 7:50, so it's crunch time. For breakfast they have like regular stuff, baked beans, tomatoes, vegetables, etc. They have it as croissant, but it's not croissant. Okay, so they have poached fish, egg, oh my god, for breakfast. They have oats, aloo jeera, aloo bhaji, curry. I don't know what any of these things are. Padul bali soto from last night. A salad bar. I don't know what these things are either, but they seem very heavy. Yeah. Ildi, oh gosh, I don't know what these things are. Sambar, and I guess it's South Indian cuisine. On this side they have some juices and stuff. Just everybody sitting and having food. And on this side they have fruits and pastries, muffins, halwa, cheese, chicken, cheese platter, sandwiches. I don't know what these things are. And then they just have stuff to make your cereal. And the toast looks great. I don't know what a lot of the things are. Just having that bit for breakfast. It's extremely cool. Just wanted to shout out. Tasting real good, and the food tasting good, and everybody's in there food tasting good too. This is everyone, and we're heading to the bus now. It is extremely cold out here. Beautiful. So we are going on the bus now. It's a huge bus. Oh, I think it's 2 buses actually. The smog is out.
He's feeling normal. Oh, he's feeling normal.
Hey guys, we are outside. It's so cold. This is extremely cold. We are at the first location. I forget what that was. Hold on. Oh my god, you're shivering. So this is our first stop. Sushma Swaraj Institute of Foreign Service, Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi. Yeah. Oh, in here is good. In here is warm. In here is warm, much warmer than outside. This is the plan for the first half of the day from the Ministry of External Affairs.
had come from all around the world to India and to this SSIFS for this orientation program for the 72nd No India program.
Have some connectivity, you may be speaking the language, you may be eating Indian food, so you are already representing India in different ways in different parts of the world. And I again wish you a very warm welcome. Have a very enjoyable and pleasant stay in India and carry back good memories of your visit.
As most of you are having a first visit to India and especially in this weather. Delhi is unusually cold this year and I hope you will be able to acclimatize well.
Welcome to India States. It was something we call it as Darbas. So calling people back to their land from where they belong to. And I'm very sure that 2 weeks of time that you will be in India, this will be a very memorable one. But take it from me that this is not what India is all about. So what you will be seeing in Delhi is a very modern type of India that you are looking at. Something which is at its peak and its maximum in Delhi. But if you get an opportunity to go somewhere else in India, that's where you will find what India is all about, what colors and variety does it have.
Oh my god, the presentation was so well done. A to Z, what is India about? It was really, really nice. I will include snips of that presentation, and I think you'll have a very, very good understanding of what India is about when you see snips. So now we are on a tea break, and let's see what they have.
Always to interact with young, EIOs, persons of Indian origin, but young people in general. It's always makes me feel young.
Okay, so the session was really, really informative. I'll insert clips and now we're gonna have lunch. It looks great. I do not know the name of any of the items here, but I'll let you know what it is. So the food was real spicy. Like, I died. So, couldn't eat it out. But I think people say it looked good, but I think it's actually in it. So that wasn't good. Okay, so I think we'll be going to Dilli Haat now, and basically it is a market where they sell crafts and we'll see what they have to offer. Yes, sure. Okay, right, we are together. So lots of people just selling stuff everywhere. So that's all. You enjoy it. What a beautiful place.
Yeah, you can come at the front.
Come close. Some of you can sit in the front if you want.
So they scanned us, they scanned stuff. Sorry, they didn't scan us because we are VIP. Alright, so we have to move together. Basically, it's a bazaar for crafts, and yeah, there are lots of shops all around. Different items on sale. Very, very beautiful items. Looks so nice. Oh my god, this place is so big. This place is so big. But it looks nice. Got some cashmere scarves. I'll show you them later. 100% cashmere scarves. So I have purchased this scarf, and I just purchased and from this kind man's shop. Come and check him out at the market. And he has magic boxes.
Open like she is spiritual. Thank you.
Yes. So those are the things that I purchased from the market. So I'm gonna purchase this one and the scarf and the ornament. Time to go. So we just got this document here, just sharing it out. So we are back. We went to the hotel and now we are in the train station. We are in the metro. Like here we are purchasing a ticket. We entered over there, and yeah, this is it. West Metro. And we're gonna buy a card loaded with money, and I think it's 300.
शंकराचार्य में आए
Looking for the yellow line.
When you see the train in Mumbai, they have people at the top of the train.
But look at how much.
Not the time, not the time.
I'm not
We survived the train and it was real packed. Like sardine inside there. I couldn't even. All these people here make it. Okay, now we head into the market, Chandi Chowk. So we just came out through there, and well, this is what it looks like. Kind of chaotic. Basically, we are in Chandi Chowk now. We came through that way. Right, on the side there, they sell invitations, and we have now reached the area where they sell the clothes, which is here, I think. So we're going to This is the first item that I purchased. It's from this guy, but he won't give a discount. This is his stall. It's on the road.
And now you're for your husband. And you?
For my husband. Okay, so I just purchased 4 these at them. When I go outside, I will show you the store that I purchased it from. So this is where I purchased the items. I just bought this one here. It looks really good, and you have to go upstairs and try on. No discount. We just walk all our way in these dark alleys. Where are we? We don't even know. It's late. We are lost. Just kidding. We want to go to this wedding here. Event, but we can't because we weren't invited. What a wonderful wedding. Alrighty. This is where we are. I don't know where we are. Oh, lovely. Today was a really successful day. I got these here. I got and we are now on the metro heading back to the hotel. It was quite an experience. So off the train there, and this is our hotel. Yeah. Dinner. It's the end of the night.
While the vlog, then you can.
It's the end of the night. We had a successful day. It was really good. Can't wait to show you all the pieces.